Hello everybody, today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Mi 9T, which was released into the market 1 year ago. The model I got is carbon black with 128GB of memory, and there is also a 64GB version, but I would recommend 128GB because the phone does not support memory card extension. In the box you will receive the phone, pin for the SIM card, user guide, and cheap protective plastic that does the job, but I feel it will break after a few weeks of usage. With the phone you will also receive a powerful charger that comes with USB Type-C, and that is all in the box. Let's see this beauty. The carbon look is really impressive and the phone looks good from all sides. Upon turning on the phone, it gives us MIUI 10 look and setup is quick. From behind we have triple AI cameras, out of which the wide camera has 48 megapixels. From the side we have a power button and buttons for volume up and down. On the bottom we have speakers, mic, charging port and a slot for the SIM card, and from the top we have one more mic, 3.5mm audio jack and a 20 megapixel pop-up camera. Before start using the phone I always check for the updates, and as you can see MIUI 11 was available, featuring some new cool possibilities. The display of the phone is 6.39 inches AMOLED screen with 16 million colors. For me, the most important feature on the phone is the camera, so we will test the cameras on this phone on one business class trip, and that is available on the next video, which link I will leave in the comments, and also you can find it at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.